TV.
Okay, shout out din sa nag-request ni mo nga song, Sister Melody Montesilio from Manila, no? So, dara imong request, sister. Thank you so much, sister, sa imong pag-request. Hide me now under your wings, cover me within your mighty hand. When the ocean rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the lands. I will be still, know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone. Know His power in quietness and trust. When the ocean rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the lands. I will be still, know you are God. When the ocean rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the lands, and I will be still, know you are God. Whoa, my God. I will be still, I will be still. I will be still, I will be still.